I'm Dr.S.Nazarath, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Sadakatullappa College. Today I talk about laser. What is mean by laser? Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Today I discuss about the topic what is laser, what are the properties of laser, what are the basic concept of laser, what is mean by population inversion, types of laser and applications of laser. Laser abbreviation is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Who is invented by laser? T.H. Myman. 1960. Invented year is 1960. The first invented laser is ruby laser. The color is green color. Laser, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. What are the properties of laser? There are four properties of laser. One is highly monochromatic, high intensity, high coherence and highly directional. High coherence means all the emitted photons bear a constant phase relationship with each other in both time and phase. Next topic is basic concept for a laser. What are the basic concept? Absorption, spontaneous emission, stimulated emission and population inversion. Next, absorption. An atom in the lower energy level or ground state energy level E1 absorbs the incident photons of radiations of energy h nu and goes to the higher energy level E2. Spontaneous emission. The atom in the excited state returns to the ground state by emitting a photon of energy spontaneously without any external triggering. Stimulated emission. The atom in the excited state returns to the ground state by emitting a photon of energy by external triggering. Conditions required for laser action. First one is population inversion should be achieved. Second one is stimulated emission should be predominant over spontaneous emission. What is meant by population inversion? The state of achieving more number of atoms in the excited state compared in the ground state atom is called as population inversion. What is the condition? E2 is greater than E1. What is active medium? The medium in which the population inversion takes place is called as active medium. What is active center? The material in which the atoms are raised in excited state in achieve population inversion is called as. Next one is pumping methods. What is pumping? The process of raising more number of atoms to excited state by artificial means is called as pumping process. There are several methods of pumping methods are available, but some of the most commonly used methods are optical pumping, direct electron excitation, inelastic atom-atom collision, direct conversion and chemical process. The next topic is types of laser. Lasers are classified into 5 major categories based on the types of active medium. One is solid state laser. It is furtherly classified into 2 types. 3-level laser, example ruby laser, 4-level laser, example ND-arc laser. The second one is gas laser, example carbon dioxide laser, helium neon laser. The third one is semiconductor laser, example gallium arsenide laser. Fourth one is liquid laser, example europium benzoyl acetonate dissolved in alcohol. The fifth one is dye laser and chemical laser. The final topic is applications of laser. So there are more applications of that. The first application is scientific applications. First part is spectroscopy for identifying chemical composition, interferometry, precision measurements of distance and surface irregularities, holography, creating 3D images using coherent laser light, laser cooling, trapping and cooling atoms for quantum research. Second one is medical application, particularly in surgery, cutting tissues with minimal damage, and then dermatology, tattoo removal, skin surfacing, and hair removal. Cancer treatment and dental procedures. The third one is industrial application, cutting and welding, drilling, marking and encurving barcodes, 3D printing. Fourth one is communication applications, fiber optic communications and free space communications. Fifth one is military and defense, radar, laser weapons, marking target destination. Sixth one is consumer and entertainment, laser printer, CD, DVD, laser light source and barcode scanners. The final application is environmental and space application, lidar mapping, atmospheric studies and satellite based lasers. In conclusion, laser are not just an academic concept but a transformative technology that continues to evolve, opening new possibilities in science and everyday life. Thank you.